It takes money to make money. In some cases, this is true. But this circular reasoning doesn't have to be the case 100% of the time, because you can actually start to make money for absolutely free without any initial investments by using resources that you probably already have. Doesn't that sound amazing? Well, it gets better. You can even start to earn money for free by doing absolutely nothing. This is called passive income. Intrigued? Well, you should be, because this is an amazing money-making method that can earn you up to $1,000, and it's as easy as going onto the website, signing up, then activating the app in this video. I'll show you guys how you can start to earn with this income stream right now. Literally anyone can use this method. You're going to want to pay close attention to the steps I'm going to show you, because if you miss some of the steps in this video, you might actually end up wasting your time and not making any money at all. So make sure to pay attention to each and every second of this video, because I will drop some secret tips and tricks that you can use with this method to maybe double or even triple your online income. But before we start, hey guys, welcome to EarnPal, where we show you how to make money online every single day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start to make things happen. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you ever have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, leave a comment down below and let's get back to the video. Take a look at this. These are the payment proofs that other people have been able to get from this website. It's amazing, right? The first thing that you're going to want to do is head on over to this website by clicking on the address bar of your browser and typing in InDigitalWorks. On this website, you can get high quality PLR products that you feel good about selling to your customers. What's a PLR? PLR means private label rights. These products can actually be downloaded and sold on other platforms without having to spend a dime. Put your name on them and sell them under your brand and keep all of the money. Now over here we have a few examples of products that are already available. They have ebooks, softwares, videos, templates, graphics, music, and you can get access to hundreds of them for free. No obligations, no contracts, 100% risk-free. Under the ebook section of their products, there are a lot of available ebooks for you to download and use. And if you read these book titles, these are amazing books that people are actually going to want to read. This can be downloaded on most devices. All you have to do is register and you can get access to hundreds of these products. Now for InDigitalWorks, they actually have several different plan offers that cover 3 months of usage, 1 year usage, and a lifetime usage. You can check these plans at their respective price range, but you don't have to use these plans at all. You can actually use their free membership plan for free, and that gives you access to 200 products. To get this, all you need to do is click on register, and this is the membership registration form. Now, when you fill up this form, make sure that the membership type you're signing up for is the free one. This is so you won't have to pay anything while having to access their products. For the rest of the form, you can just fill it up with the information required. Once you fill up the entire form, you can just click on I'm not a robot and then hit next. Now, you're going to want to click on the free products button on the website banner. You can check out all the available products by clicking on these links, and I'm going to go with free ebook products. Now, I hope you guys are still with me, because I'm about to show you how you can download the products from this website and use it on another website to earn passive income. If you are still watching, let me know by commenting money in the comments section down below. Let's say I want to download this ebook right here. I'm going to click on the book title like this, and it's going to take me to this download page right here. So this page also gives a short summary of the contents in the book and its file size and the product terms. They even give you a preview of the book that you can read before you hit the download button. And as you can see, this is a legit ebook. It looks professionally made. To download the product, all you have to do is click on the download button and the ebook is going to start downloading right into your device. And it's that easy, and also completely free. Once your product is downloaded, you're going to want to head on over to the second website. But before we continue this video, I would like to tell you guys that we upload new videos every single day on how to make money online on this channel. The goal of this channel is to help you learn how to create a stream of online income. I put a lot of efforts into these videos to make sure that each and every one of these methods work. So I would really appreciate it if you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to smash the like button and leave a comment down below. Now let's get back into the video. This website is called Up Forever. On this website, you can upload and share files and images for free. They will pay you for it. So basically what happens is Up Forever will pay for every 1,000 downloads of your file, and the rates that you're going to earn per 1,000 downloads is actually going to depend on where those downloads are coming from. But you can earn anywhere from $3 up to $7 for basically doing nothing. This is pure passive income, and as you can see on this chart, downloads from other countries under different tiers are going to give you different earning prices. The ones that will get you the highest earnings are the downloads from Tier 1 countries, which are the United States and Canada. So you should make sure that your files can attract users from those countries. Up Forever is also available on the Google Play Store, so you can have this cloud storage on other devices as well. This makes it a very convenient cloud search that you can all very easily access. It's really easy to create an account. Simply click on the sign up button on the web page banner right here, and it's going to bring you to this user registration page. All you need to do is simply fill up each box with the required information, choose what payment method you prefer, hit the reCAPTCHA button, and then hit sign up. Once you've done that, your account should look something like this. Right now, the account's balance is 0, which is what everyone starts with in this platform. But don't worry guys, as soon as you've uploaded your files and those downloads start rolling, your account balance will also start to grow. But before that can happen, you need to first upload files. So to upload files, you're going to want to click on this button right here and then click on Upload Files. Before you upload your files, you're going to want to read these warnings that the website gives you. If you don't follow these warnings, you could get banned from this platform, and you won't be able to earn passive income off of it. Now, don't worry, there are only 2 things that you need to be warned about. First is that you aren't allowed to upload any prohibited files. Second is to disable ad block. Disabling ad block will allow other people to download your file, so make sure that you do that. Now, right here is where you can upload your file. This is where that ebook that we downloaded earlier comes in. It's very easy. Click on the Choose File button and select that ebook that we downloaded earlier. Once you've selected that, you can go ahead and click on Start Upload. This won't take long at all, guys, because it's actually pretty fast. And now, we need to go ahead and head back to your account. And on your dashboard, you're going to want to click on My Files. Once you click on that, it will show you all the files that you've uploaded on this platform. And this is where you can actually edit your file name to make it more descriptive and appealing to downloaders. To do that, just click on the pencil button on the right of that file listing. And then you can easily edit the file name and add a description for the file. Here's a helpful tip. Make sure you insert the word ebook at the very end of the file name so that people will know that it's actually an ebook. For the description, you can just go ahead and copy and paste the product description that's available on InDigitalWorks, and then set the price to 0. Having the price at 0 will let users know that they can get that file for free, and that's going to get you more downloads. So make sure that you click on Public, and once you are satisfied, you can go ahead and hit Submit. And that's pretty much it. You can just repeat that process as much as you want so that you can upload more products and start earning that passive income. That is the end of today's video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so that you will be notified when we post new content on this channel. And do not forget to smash that like button and leave a comment down below. Also, go watch our other videos. All the methods on our channel are certified and working as of April 2021. I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new money-making method.